Hello guys, we're here walking again. We'll go somewhere else and it's too cold. We pass here in the playground. Nobody's playing the basketball. Wala lang, mag-video-video lang kami. Oh. Tapos mag-edit. Papaayos namin yung laptop kasi hindi nga pwedeng mag-edit, 'di ba? Kasi may problema siya. So, for now, mag-video kami. Tapos, later on, okay na yung laptop. Pwede na namin i-edit. Kasi ang ganda kaya ng view nila. Oh. Ang lamig. Sa Pilipinas, sarap tumambay dito. Oh. Tapos, may shot na tanduay.
Hindi ba madilim?
Hindi, oh. Nagsa-sightseeing kaming dalawa. Kahit malamig, naglalakad-lakad kami. Ganito po dito sa Abu Dhabi. Guys, andito na kami sa may technical touch computer. Kasi papaayos nga yung laptop, di ba? So here we are.
What's the guy?
I'm taking video.
Yeah. Plug.
Hello, we are here in technical
Touch computer.
tech computer.
Mobile shop and laptop repairing
Yeah,
also.
we are here to us to repair the laptop.
Laptop and mobile.
But sad to say that man who repaired that laptop is not yet here. So, from now,
Yeah.
I will ask you how much this one.
This one 20 dirham.
This is a game controller. LP. May game controller sila. I have one friend, she is very much addict in a game. That's why when I saw this one, I asked how much this one?
This one 30 dirham.
30. Then what is the difference between
Different
this?
this one quality. Check this one. This one.
Yung
and
sa
branded.
ML.
And brand different.
Okay. So this is better.
Yeah, this one better.
But after this, when you will grow old, you're sleeping like this your hands. Any another thing?
Yeah. Only this one card.
You don't have sale today?
Yeah.
Huh?
Take anyone take no problem. You take the price.
Yeah, I don't know if we're coming here, no? At least if I know that this place will come,
Yeah.
at least I bring the phone.
Okay, no problem. Any mobile exchange here, all mobile, any second hand mobile, all mobile this one here buy.
But the price is different already,
Yeah,
right?
price different this one. All mobile this one different.
So,
price.
so if ever I want to swap the phone, I have to I have to come here also with the money because
Okay.
otherwise I cannot have it, right? You will not give me without that money also.
Yeah.
I don't know how to fix this one. Your name?
Danish.
He is Mr. Danish.
Danish.
Yeah. The one who's he is a salesman or the owner.
Yeah. Owner.
The owner.
He is the owner of this shop. Guys, if you want discount, contact Mr. Danish.
Take my card. Business card.
Okay, then University. I will take this card. Maybe I will chat with you. Then we'll become chatmate.
Okay.
Huh?
Bye bye.
No, not bye bye.
Bye
Show me also this watch. We are promoting your shop and you don't want.
This one different.
Guys, we are opposite of Delmas. We are on Delma Street, opposite of Syed University.
Yeah, Zayed University.
We are behind of Millennium.
Million backside.
yeah.
Million supermarket backside.
Why carbon already not yet used?
What is it? Take this one.
You're giving
This one
only.
good quality.
By the way, if for example we will purchase this one,
Yeah.
you have the charger together or no?
Yeah, that's not coming this one. All this one inside you have charging.
Ah, okay.
Another type is one.
Ganito kasi yung charger niya.
This one take, this one good quality. This one
How much
normal.
this one?
This one 100.
Huh?
100. This one
If I had money, I would buy now.
this one 225.
Anyway,
A smartwatch.
Also this one.
No, but I don't want this one. I want this. Because my hands become carbon. No?
where's the guy?
Coming this one. I
How
can't.
many minutes then after he would come? Guys, this is only for 200 smartwatch. And the another one also,
100.
this is only for 100. If you want to buy the cheapest smartwatch,
bro.
just visit here
Yeah,
on
customer. Come.
Technical
Fast
Touch
break,
Computer, Delma Street.
10 minutes.
And by the
Okay.
way,
Okay.
now I exchange. I will check if you know.
Sorry.
Show me.
Not exchange this one. Nothing exchange this one here.
Anything else? Let us see your shop.
Also inside mobile repairing.
Ah, they also repaired. No, my phone, it's not. It's the password only to open, but I can open it.
Not open this one.
So there
All-
is no any option for that to fix.
fix this one, but all this one inside this one going.
And my iPhone
photo,
also I
video.
cannot open.
Yeah, same this one. Software everything this one inside all this one going video and photo all data this one removed.
But I
Samsung
can
removed.
fix that one or no?
Yeah, fix it here.
But how much? For example, the
Which
LCD iPhone
iPhone which model?
7S.
7SE. This one 150 and duplicate this one coming 150 and original coming 220.
But that's original.
Yeah, original this one 220.
Okay.
Okay. All mobile repairing here.
Now only I came here.
All mobile iPhone.
And for example, if I will swap the phone, which phone do I need? It's depend how much the cost of how much
Yeah.
what kind of the phone.
Which mobile this one? What model by this model? This one different the price.
Uh,
You know, which mobile we want? iPhone, yeah, Samsung.
no, for
Now this one
example,
coming normal. This one Y51 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM.
this is Vivo.
Yeah, Vivo. Good mobile.
No, I don't. I want Samsung.
Yeah, Samsung. This one you take this one A31.
Then how much
Yeah,
is it?
128 GB 780.
Then for example, I will swap my 3 phones.
Yeah, which
Then I
mobile?
will not pay anyone dirham. You should say at least I know.
Yeah, this one, but must need the see, yeah. Which mobile, what's the problem?
Yeah.
Check all this one, yeah. After this one coming, how much? It all-
Maybe we'll pay only 200
Yeah,
dirham.
maybe, but not sure this one. But mobile must need the check, yeah. Any mobile.
I have one phone there. It's
Which model?
Huawei. Huawei.
About which model?
I don't know because I never use
You
since the
bring, I will
day
check
I
this one, no
bought.
problem. You bring your mobile, I will check this one.
Since the day I bought it, I never used because I don't like it's like very slow. I don't know what is the issue on that.
Exchange this one. Also, yeah, all mobile.
Then which one is better?
Now this one A31 and Y51 Vivo and Oppo A53 650. This one 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. Better this one. And you want
But I want a better camera.
better camera V20 Tech. V20
How much is-
1300 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM.
No need for memory card.
Yeah.
May I
This one.
see it?
Yeah, this one not remove this one,
Oh,
only
you
this one.
cannot open it.
Yeah, you have this one. Check this one.
Which one? This?
This one. Yeah.
How much this tripod? The tripod how much? This tripod. This one's tripod.
This one?
No, this one.
This one, yeah. Desktop.
This tripod.
Oh, this one, selfie stand.
Yeah.
Coming 100. 100. This one original. You want normal? This one coming 70 dirham.
I bought for only 80 dirham. Oh, very good market, huh?
This one 100. This one original. Same like this one coming a duplicate. Coming is 60 dirham, 50 dirham like this coming.
How much this one?
This one 880.
880.
880. Yeah.
This is Wi-Fi, but that one is
This one
different.
different. You have features all have this one.
This is new in the market.
Yeah, V20. Too much cash. This one V20. V20, V20.
Is there tablet covers over here?
Tablet cover कौन सा मॉडल है?
Huawei.
ऐसा कवर है. इस टाइप का रहेगा, but another type भी ये रहेगा. तुम सैंपल
Smart
देखकर
है.
इसका. हाँ देखिए दूसरा. इस टाइप का नहीं मिलेगा. But वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा खूबसूरत रहेगा. इस तरह तुम ये फोल्ड करके तुम ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Different मॉडल.
आपके पास Samsung 8 Plus
Samsung 8 Plus.
Plus का cover.
8 Plus.
हाँ. ऐसे.
Guys, if you want to fix your phone, or if you want to swap your phone, your laptop or your PC, you can visit
ये
Techno Touch Computer. It's opposite of University, Zayed University, Delma Street,
Smart है.
backside of Millennium Supermarket.
Back.
If you have any question, you can drop message in the comment box. If you want to ask anything also, just drop your message in comment box. Then we will come here to this Mr. Danish, the owner.
Yeah.
Yes. This is his shop. Anytime. You are open weekly, yeah?
Yeah, weekly open.
From Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
You don't have off day.
Yeah, off days.
From morning to?
Yeah, morning 10 p.m. and closed 10 a.m. Closed 11:30 p.m.
10 morning and to 11:30 in the evening. Visit here, guys. He will give you huge discount.
Discount, yeah, inshallah.
Yes.
This one for a
No, I don't like you.
this one. Yeah, see.
What color you have?
Ang Pilipino, guys, pag pumunta sa shop, pumunta sa supermarket o kahit saan man,
15.
hindi, yung trademark talaga ng Pilipino ay humihingi talaga ng diskwento. Kahit piso na lang yan sasabihin pa. Hindi ba pwede 50 pills na lang? Pag 5 dirham sasabihin, 4 dirhams na lang.
Yeah.
Yun talaga. Kayang-kaya namang bayarin pero nakaugalian na kasi bilang isang Pilipino. Kaya kaya sabi ng mga ibang lahi, kwan daw. Ano yan, oh? Ano yung pagkasabi nila? Kuripot. Humihingi daw lagi ng tawad. Parang may kasalanan ba? Patawad po. Tawad naman. Akala mo yung may kasalanan, wala naman. Di ba? Uy, maganda yan, ah. How much is it?
15.
No, free for you. Take. Guys, they are selling here mobile cover, mobile screen protector. They fix phone, they fix laptop, computers,
All.
everything. So please visit here. We are just opposite of Zayed University, Delma
This
Street.
one another type.
We are here in Moror.
This one
Yeah, it's Moror, yeah?
Yeah. Del
What do you
Mar
have?
Street, Maroon Road.
No, I don't like this one.
But this one, yeah.
Yeah, because this one, is a small paper design.
Yeah,
So they are checking for mobile cover.
yeah, like
The price is 15 dirhams. So bilang Pilipino, syempre hihingi ng tawad kahit walang kasalanan. 10. Nakaugalian ba yun? Nakaugalian na kasi bilang Pilipino kahit saan pupunta. Ang presyo ay 2 dirham lang, pero sasabihin pa talaga, oh,
Nagkamali pa
there's
ako ng
nothing
ano,
there.
Kukuha na ng pera.
So, ang 10, sasabihin
Para
pa,
kami wallet mo.
5 dirham na lang. Pagka nag-oo na sa 5, hindi ba pwede 2 dirham na
Was
lang?
the guy coming or no?
yeah, coming is
You told me 10 minutes.
Can I give you now 5 dirham? Every day I'll give 5 dirham for this
okay.
phone.
Then the price 10 dirham only. Yeah?
See, they
This
give
one
us
cover only 10 dirham. Okay.
See?
Yeah, but see the quality. It's nice.
Quality this one
Good.
nice.
See? So you have to come here.
It's a leather type. Very nice. The price is for 30 dirhams and he paid only 10 dirhams. Because dahil sa tawad, guys. Tawad. Patawad po. Oh, di ba nahulog siya sa 10?
Ang ganda siya.
Yes, it's nice and the color also.
It's my favorite color is blue. That's why.
Yeah, this one broken coming.
Maybe around 5 minutes only. Switch on, right? And then suddenly it's automatic switch on. Then when I see it, it's too much hot. So I don't know what's about. So suddenly, and then I want to open again. I cannot open.
Put it on.
Yeah. No. So if you want this one, I have another charger. Extension. You're the technician?
Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.
We're leaving
good
now. Yes.
And thank you for the coffee.
Thank you for the coffee. Very
Welcome.
sweet. We will come back again, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yalla, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ha? Doon yung touch computer. Guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami magpa-check yung laptop. Wala naman palang sira yung laptop. Yung may-ari ata. Sa bahay, guys, hindi gumagana yung laptop.
So-
Pagdating namin doon sa shop, gumagana siya, guys. Siguro gusto lang talagang mainom ng kape yung may-ari.
Parang wala kape sa bahay, no? Observe tayo mamaya. Observe namin kung okay siya.
Guys, alam nyo anong maganda doon sa shop? May free coffee. Sobrang tamis nga lang. Pauwi na rin kami. So,
Itong head ko sa ano, bigat.
so guys, it's time to end up our videos. See you on the next episode. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See? This is a UAE. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye!